Hi Year 10, it's just a very quick video. This just show you how to use your graphic calculator to do logarithms. Okay, so at the menu, just going to go to the run matrix here. Okay, so click there. Okay, and if you want to write a logarithm, you're going to go F4 for maths, and then you can see here you've got lots of options, one of them being log AB. So click F2, and you can see there you can write in log of whatever base you want of whatever number you want. So let's go log base 10 of 1,000, and hopefully you know that 10 cubed is 1,000. So it's basically saying 10 to the power of what is equal to 1,000. So the answer should be 3. So let's just check I'm right. There it is. There's the answer. It's 3. Now, you've also got this button here. Okay, if you've watched all the intro videos first, you will know that what this means is when you write log without a base, it means that the base is 10, sorry. The base is 10 if the base is not written. Okay, so log of 1,000 should also give me 3. Okay. And there we go, it does. The base is 10 if it's not written. Okay? Let's try one that's not base 10, just show you the difference. So, log base 2 of 256, or 2 to the power of 8 is 256, so that should be 8. But log, just clicking log, or 256, well that's 10 to the power of what gives you 256. Lord knows that's going to be a horrible answer. I would say between 2 and 3, 2.3, let's go for that. I wasn't far off, 2.4. Okay, so you can write it with whatever base you like by using this F2 function here. Let me just show you again. So you go F4 for maths and then F2. But if the base is 10, you can just tap it directly here. Okay? Hope that makes sense.